Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Keychron V6 Wired mechanical keyboard. This full-size powerhouse from Keychron promises high performance and customization without breaking the bank. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the Keychron V6 is built for enthusiasts looking for a robust mechanical keyboard experience. It comes in a full 108-key layout, ideal for both work and gaming. The keyboard features Keychron's signature build quality with a choice of switches: red, blue, or brown, catering to different typing preferences. The build quality of the V6 is exceptional. Despite a plastic bottom case, it feels sturdy with minimal flex, thanks to internal insulation that dampens sound and enhances typing feel. The double-shot PBT keycaps are a standout feature, offering durability and a premium tactile experience compared to cheaper ABS alternatives. In terms of performance, typing on the V6 is a joy. The keycaps are designed for comfort with a concave shape and rounded edges, contributing to improved typing speed and accuracy over time. Whether you're drafting documents or engaging in intense gaming sessions, the V6's responsiveness and 1000 Hz polling rate ensure a reliable experience. For those sensitive to noise, the V6 with its pre-lubed switches delivers a satisfyingly quiet typing experience. It's a significant improvement over older models like the Keychron K2. Thanks to enhanced sound insulation and heavier keycaps that reduce the clatter. Customization is where the V6 shines. It's fully hot swappable, allowing users to change switches without soldering. Additionally, VIA software enables extensive key remapping and RGB control, although the software interface could use some refinement. To sum it up, the Keychron V6 offers outstanding value for money with its solid build, comfortable typing experience, and customizable features. While it's wired only and slightly hefty, these are minor trade-offs given its competitive pricing and performance. If you're in the market for an affordable mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on quality or features, the Keychron V6 deserves serious consideration. It's a testament to Keychron's commitment to delivering top-notch peripherals at accessible prices. That wraps up our review of the Keychron V6. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.